I don't know what else to depend on. And if it's a case where, say, people's lives are at stake or people's welfares are at stake, you want to be in a position to have a story to tell yourself about why you chose this way of approaching the problem as opposed to that one.
We're trying to make the most of all the information we have.
This idea that fixing a bad economy, it would be great if fixing a bad economy was like fixing a toaster.
Global medical problems, highly mathematical. I mean, we had actually men who are math professors. They were in the program, they were lecturing to us on global statistics and the gaps in treatment.
So there is information that is really a priori. I'm not going to get too philosophical, but that is based on theory, on introspection. There might be information we use in order to decide what would be a good policy, for instance, that is based on our knowledge of history, of what has happened in the past. And people constantly refer to, for instance, the Tax Reform Act of '86 in the United States, or maybe the Kennedy tax cuts, or maybe things that happened even way before that in the history of America.
Now, of course, the question arises: is how do you know that you're right? You can't be sure that you're right. It's impossible to do that. But the check on whether you're right or not is if you manipulate your model and get a prediction out of it. Let's say, and you say that X factor X will have a certain an increase in X will increase Y or Z. If that's the prediction of the model, and then you turn to history and you find yes, X did increase and Y and Z did increase in the manner that your model predicted, then at least you can say that your model is consistent with what actually happened.
I can't see what else to be yearning for, okay? Because once again, these are serious questions, okay? These are questions on which people's lives and welfare depend, and you want to be in a position to be able to explain to yourself while you're going to sleep at night, and to be able to explain to the victims of whatever policy you've come up with what it was that led you to arriving at this policy.
Years ago, in a Washington, D.C. school where I taught, it was adult education, but you can see. We're dealing with t-tests, we're dealing with just basic statistical matters, you know.
Yeah, I can see. Is that you?
Okay, that's me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's just one picture. Here's another. I've got pictures from all. I've taught in 3 foreign countries, and yeah.
It's really sad math is the subject in school that you're allowed to hate. And it's almost cool to hate math. And I always found that kind of strange and sad, and I think that if more people have positive experiences with it, maybe that cultural aspect can change.
And you'll find a lot of mathematics is
relationship. Mathematics is relationships. Relationships always exist.
a lot of mathematics is looking at just trying to build those connections.